Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am also fine, students. We have completed 3 chapters, isn't it? Now, I am going to teach you the deleted portion. That means what we have omitted without teaching in the beginning. Okay. In the first chapter, we have omitted this heading. Okay, statement of affairs. We have learned that how to calculate the profit or loss made by the incomplete records. Okay, there that statement of affairs is one of the heading. Here first you should know what is statement of affairs. Okay, statement of affairs is a statement showing the balances of assets and liabilities. Okay, like a balance sheet. Okay, balances of assets and liabilities will be shown on a particular date. Okay, so here because in the balance sheet also we show the balances of assets and liabilities on a particular date. We know that assets will be shown on the right side and the liabilities will be shown on the left side of the balance sheet, isn't it? But here the statement of affairs will be prepared by the sole trader organization, those who follow the incomplete records, those who do not keep all the complete records. Okay, all the business concerned, those who keep the incomplete records only can prepare this statement of affairs. This statement of affairs is like a balance sheet. It is not exactly balance sheet, it resembles balance sheet. Okay, resemble means resemblance, somewhat. Okay, why it is not called a balance sheet? Because the balance sheet is prepared by all the organization who follow the double entry system, isn't it? Here, double entry system, those who follow the double entry system only can maintain the balance sheet. But here the statement of affairs, why it is different from balance sheet? Here the assets and liabilities, all the balances will be written from the here in the double entry system from the trial balance, isn't it? Trial balance shows the arithmetical accuracy of entries made in the balance sheet because we prepare the journal entries, isn't it? Then ledger account, then the ledger balances will be given in the statement of that trial balance. Then with the help of trial balance, we prepare the trading and profit and loss account, finally the balance sheet, isn't it? But this statement of affairs is prepared by the concerned those who follow the incomplete records. Here, this assets balances where they will write. They will have some accounts, isn't it? They maintain some account, cash account. Okay, some from the that accounts. Okay, then some items from the base documents, source documents. Okay, land, how that land document they will have, isn't it? But their source documents from those documents. And some others will be their own memory. Okay, how much they might not have written in any document. In the books of accounts, they may not have any document. Just from their memory, they will write some of the accounts. Okay, that is why it is not exactly like balance sheet, but it resembles balance sheet. Okay, in the same way only all the assets will be written on the right side and the liabilities on the left side of the page. Okay, here we have to use 2 pages. Okay, to prepare a statement of affairs. Okay, now we will learn about the difference between statement of affairs and balance sheet. Balance sheet. Okay, what is statement of affairs? What is the purpose? Okay, the first one, the purpose. It is prepared to know the capital of the organization, either opening capital or closing capital. But here we prepare in order to ascertain the financial position of the business. Okay, that we calculate financial position. Here we are just preparing the statement of affairs to know the capital either at the beginning or at the end. Then next one, accounting system. Here they do not follow the double entry system. Okay, they do not follow double entry system. But here they follow simply double entry system of bookkeeping. Okay. Then the third one, preparation. Basis for the preparation. What is the basis to prepare the statement of affairs? We have learned some from the that accounts they may maintain for some accounts. That one. Then some from the source documents. Okay. Then other from their own memory. Okay. The owner's memory they will prepare. But this balance sheet is prepared as per the balances of ledger account, or we can say with the help of trial balance they will prepare the balance sheet. Okay. Then reliability, whether we can is it a reliable source, reliable document? No, it is not reliable. Okay, because they from the memory and they are writing, isn't it? So we cannot rely on the statement prepared from the incomplete records. Okay, this statement of affairs is not reliable because it is not prepared with the help of double entry system. No, isn't it? But this is reliable because it is prepared as per the double entry system. Okay, reliability. Then whether we can find out any missing items. Here we cannot trace out any missing item, but here we can do. Yes, okay, we can trace the missing items very easily. How? If the trial balance does not get tally, we can assume there are some errors. So we can locate, okay, from the beginning that checking the original document or the trial balance itself, the total can be checked. Okay, so we can find out the any omissions or any errors that we have committed can be traced easily. Okay, now we will see the illustration, sixth one. Okay, illustration 6. We have completed up to 5 statement of profit, then 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 4 problems we have. Okay, following are the balances of Shanti as on 31st December 2018. Okay, all the assets, liabilities given. Prepare a statement of affairs on 31st December and calculate capital as at that date. Okay, so closing capital should be calculated. In the books of Shanti, we have to write statement of affairs as on. Like there we will write balance sheet as on, but here we should write statement of affairs as on 31st December. Bills receivable, it is an asset, isn't it? So it should be written on the asset side. Okay, you can write in not in this order as it is given in the question we can write. Otherwise you will miss any item. Okay, bills receivable. Then bills payable, liabilities, machinery, asset, furniture, asset. Okay, then sundry creditors, liability, then stock, asset, debtors, asset, cash, asset. Okay, right, and find out the difference. Usually assets will be more, liabilities will be less. Okay, add the amount and here you add in rough and find out the difference. Okay students, 6 and 7 also we will see. On 1st April 2017, Ganesh started his business with a capital of 75,000. He did not maintain proper books of accounts. Following particulars available from his books as on 31st March 2018. Particulars given. During the year, he withdrew 15,000 for his personal use. He introduced further capital of 20,000 during the year. Calculate his profit or loss. So here, first we should calculate this one closing date. Okay, opening date capital given. Closing capital we will calculate. Here drawings given, additional capital given. 4 items given. We have to calculate the that profit or loss. So first from this detail we should calculate the capital. You see, cash, asset, stock of goods asset, bills receivable asset, okay, furniture asset, land and building asset, debtors asset, but creditors liability, bills, then cash at bank asset, bills payable, liabilities. Okay, find out the difference. 88,000 we will get. Now the statement of profit or loss for the year ending 31st March 2018. Okay, closing capital written, what we have calculated. Okay, add drawings given, add and calculate, then less additional capital 20,000, adjusted closing capital less opening capital, profit made during the year. Okay, so we will do 2 exercise. Okay, 6 and 7 we will complete. 6 you see. Following are the balances in the books of Thomas as on 31st March 2019. You prepare a statement of affairs on 31st March and calculate capital asset that date. Okay, so here we should use 2 pages. Okay, 2 pages we have to use. Okay, in the books of Thomas, that first we should write the number. Okay, number you write 6. I am writing chapter 1. Okay, 6. In the books of Thomas. Then statement of affairs. As on 31st March 2019. Okay, here assets rupees. Here liabilities fully we have to write. Okay, rupees, simple. First item sundry creditors, so that is liability. You write fully, okay students, otherwise we won't get time. Then furniture asset 80,000. Okay, land and building 3 lakh. Sundry debtors 3,20,000. Bills payable, liability. Okay, bills payable 1,20,000. Cash in hand 20,000. Bills receivable 60,000. Then stock 2,20,000. So usually we will get this side, asset side only. More. Okay. Here we should write the balancing figure as capital. Balancing figure. Okay. Write, add and write 0, 0, 0. Then 4 also 0, 8, 10, 12, 20, balance 2, 5, 8, 10. 10 lakh. Okay. Here you write 10 lakh. Now you add this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 there. 8. So 10. Balance 1. 7 plus 8. 8 plus 2. 10. So 2,80,000 is the that capital at the end. Okay. That is what they have asked us to calculate. Now next one you see. opening capital given. Okay, that details given. During the year she withdrew 30,000. Okay, personal use. This is called drawings. Then introduced additional capital. So first we should calculate the closing capital. Then opening capital there, closing capital there, drawings there, additional capital there. We know that that statement of profit how to calculate. Start with the closing capital, add drawings, less additional capital, less opening capital. We will get profit. Okay, so first we will prepare the statement of affairs. First we should write the number of the problem. Okay, what is the number? 7. Okay, in the books of Subha. Okay, then statement of affairs. As on 31st March 2019. Okay, draw. Okay, liabilities, assets, rupees. Okay, first one, bank overdraft. Bank overdraft is a liability. $50,000. Okay, then debtors. It is asset. Debtors 1,80,000. Next one, bills receivable. 70,000. Computer, asset, isn't it? Computer 30,000. Machinery 3 lakh. Stock in trade 1,60,000. Creditors, it is a liability. So creditors 90,000. Then bills payable 2,40,000. Cash in hand, asset 60,000. That's all, isn't it? So we should total it. 0, 0, 0, 4, 0. Then 12, 15, 22, 30. Balance 3. 3 plus 1, 4, 7, 8. 8 lakh. Write the same thing here. 8 lakh. Okay, now find out the difference. 14 plus 14, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. Balance 2, 4. Then 4. 4,20,000. This is called capital. In bracket you should write balancing figure. Okay. Now we should prepare the statement of affairs. Statement of profit or loss. Okay, here we can use only one page. Okay, statement of profit or loss for the year ending 31st March 2019. Okay. Only one amount column, isn't it? Particulars, rupees. Okay, first closing capital. Now we have calculated what is the amount? 4,20,000. Along with this one, add drawings. How much drawing? 30,000. So 4,50,000. Then less additional capital. Additional capital 40,000. So 4,10,000. This is called adjusted closing capital. From this, less opening capital. Okay, 1,20,000. 0, 0, 0. 11 minus 2, 9. 3 minus 1, 2. So 2,90,000. This is the profit made during the year. Okay, that's all. So we have completed 2 problems, and 8 and 9 we will do tomorrow, and we can complete this one. And in the third lesson also we have something that we will do. Okay students, thank you very much.